issue ning si se India is a pak chawgraba 142 crores people gini north south east west language culture custom costume conventions punong ka se tongan ba maron tongan ba okay mai lebam tongan ba chabam tongan but India yes punna dehing menasi although certain regional issues the autonomy haibis massacre tamam thokpra. It's my appeal to the government of India. Madam, the autonomy the independent autonomy one thing, independent of our own decisions. I currently don't say in the field of administration matangda, say economic matangda, say political affiliations matangda, the socio-economic matangda, identities must recognize toba. Not the Delhi highway say Delhi is a subcontinent bo control toba. It is next to impossible. Other than what he was saying. Nasi Manipur context lock, but the number one, this is due to lack of the political will. They already lay here. Number two, India is a big, vast country. Kanai mawa kanala tage. Some Hyderabad, Lon Tongali, Chanabi Tongali, the Chakcha Lakcha Tongali, Dharma Tongan, which is already Pije Chakcha Tongan, which is Kanal was a control Tobangamgi. But certain political autonomy is people talk proud. I say it is my appeal to the government of India. By saying that India that Tongan Lake Hibanati. Nashi Akuna Delhi Digi Impal Delhi Chapada Punghungi flights a left and a quick by the Vajati. Delhi the Tunguraka Delhi Sikal and Mutaba Tobu Mokok Macho Mayam Punam Chilam Mutaba Tok Punam say must Angak Padanim. You wait for 1 day, you wait for 2 days. You wait for 1 week. Hide nga hilaga toba punam kusina kuna hiding ba kaya murum changning ba kaya akoy labor punam pangdaba adigi pongdok choba kaya murum pangdaba minute mga tara punghaim pangba kasi wala pangdajin jo tha kaya matungda hajobo se honorable chief minister na panggiba se unaba se tha tara mangai manungda amuk kaktang se for maybe for minute tara minute kun punghaim pangbajay ati di pangdrito adun asigumba issue se jamak padigi some self-control or self-command and control not so certain political autonomy and economic matang the socio-eco factors ki matang the recognitions of autonomy ki matang isagi identity shima masma recognition matang the karab the central government ne mas katang komthok pa karab pithok pa se mas phagane na ikal. By saying this akun haiju nachade भारत के तोखाई ताकरगा एंटी इंडियन की भावता और इंडिया की यूनियन लेरिब से थुगाई ने खोचे तो नत्ते मनम दिन नंगक तब तंजा हायर अखोई लोन मखोई खंगदे मखोई लोन अखोई खंगदे मखोई नंगांग बतो दनम फुद अखोई मंगांग हाई अखोई थमु देले बजे फंगदो पद मोय दखोई योबंगम दे. First thing is India is a big vast country. It's a subcontinent. Issues see innumerable issues, thousands, lakhs, crores the lake bane. The only by honorable prime minister or my handful of my secretaries, my ministers, my control to by it is impossible. Nashi thoi pulum se example hijaragi. If I'm wrong, pardon me, government of India, wam hange. Handak the additional director IB or special director IB ga joint director IB gi moi ani hunga tawraga laga okoi group amaga what do you say sana ko Manipur matang do what is sana bo ko na tawi kolya. They're from the IB makoi the IB role city contribution pa contribute e pa piba khot pa contribute safe side ta thamba khot pa or covertly or overtly paulo pa khot pa government ke eyes and the ear le. In lieu of coming these three members political leaders kanaguma Manipur bu chanbi ba India in ninja ba Manipur bu nungshibi ba miyo yama a political leader amagumba laktan khotna what you got this sana rabadi khajiktan karihan nakshan basaruk ado kenaram gani. For example, police station ne sipai malaya police malaya uniform set an laya man laga koi yumda laga wari shaga doriba nupa mani icham chama pijet ama sel ga maksa same ring do mani lakpa khotpa da aina sipai du kitang hangoi ba kitang mon kithup kiram toba nat ama अइंगुदे कोई यूनिफॉर्म सेट ना प्लेन क्लोथ लाकदु नुपादो मासो मणिपुर पुलिस की मी और मनी मे बी स्पेशल ब्रांच और क्रिमिनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट और बजाय सिक्योरिटी डिपार्टमेंट और लाई अइना फोंदोक चेगरि सरुकदो यूनिफॉर्म दो उदे ये किता हंगोइबम पोकनी हाइबरते अइ एक्सेसिबिलिटी अइ ओपननेस अइ ओपन माइंड ले जबसे फोंदोक जब सरुकसे IB officers in life they are well trained people makogi di kogi to know kogi migi matamoi changaga mudi e pau loktopa kor country makoina eyes and ear of I some is IB the lay is IB instructors oina queen senior officers mayam punamakse ajile DGP Rajab Saab ke moi batch punamaka so aina I am is a course the tambi copious moi the jar level of the game adu tawri punamase Manipur thui punama said there is a lack of understanding, lack of communication. Kara gap kar leirina. Chief Minister ka Prime Minister ka gap sa jam wang na mu leirina. Is it because that akoy da kar political autonomy gumba or socio-economic gumba asigumba gumba kar pi bajaba kar se pitok khotok masagi decision low ba khotpa jaba to ba khotpa haiba kajikar asugumba sibu chaitok piba pitok piba or khande piba or mataradi nata Delhi na loin subten na loin lei gi taradi ai casual lip cheke di chief minister no ma thap tar sug man governor tha do nata PM na tha bai PM do lakpa tarwadi 142 crore people gi application mayam se ai nare ai government employees ore adu tore ai se chithi tha ba se prime minister so the state has to play a very important role. State has to play a pivotal role. State be given, may not be, may be given. State be given. I have a request. Linguistic problem. Okay, central government. Control the linguistic issue. Say Tamil Nadu. Okay, Hindi issue. Say Telangana. Say Malayali. Okay, Kerala. Akati issue. Kaya manabo manadabo lady. Akoy yamatani khara my masa ge khajikral self control or masai autonomy khara pi ba khotpa se masi yamna darkar or kadra jan bhagadra haidra maramdi pula mukta loina konjangni torunga se Pakistan na torwi khanda jemu Pakistan is complete punto to learn Pakistan is mari thong thokudari reason being they are not in a position to control India ge control budi tawri control haijaroi India koi mempunna chaminari adu koi phongdok ngba kaya phongdok pusa ngamdaba jogun ngamdaba akoi mi do koi nam chalu buduk matam phangdaba tabu imam matam sulitaba whole world gi mukhna yengadara 142 crore ki people ki state mayam sigi yengadara masipun matam se lekta khotomna khajikra my responsibility se kharkra khaidokpa khajikra state ki head ta or the head of the governor the madle igre okay, government ki head khara autonomy say PPB copy in all respect the kaitan young birabadi I think this may not be a very improper this may be a katang khudong chaba mayam na harong nge labor court pra oikedra haibe something I aham first round
maje pabung ambidi adu go form su leibra adu ka loina pabung akoi gi lairek la su haiba yamna matik cha da ba mayam paisa sen yam tha da bangam su tha da bangam da basu election thenga da mayam thugla I ka ba shawi ka ra ga su akoi gi national political party hekta changsin gi ba mars tau ki ba adu ka akoi gi regional political party sidi koina interest laita ban lawgudure masibu yokhat ke hingat han ge habigi usugum bagi area sidi koina yu ud bagi mami si wat ba da main da ka main tham bidinge paba
jumma ma leibada Jumdigi Mapudigi my quality, leadership qualities are important one. Administrative officers some oiba, say director or college or school the principal amalebes my quality in leadership darkarli. Matam khani jimbu, Masagi Trinamool Congress ki matang na palli, Madigi DMK ki Mr. Stalin ki matang sa panbiri. Makoi the lepak ning bahai se. Aigi phamdo tanawi ning madonati. Your sacrifice is required. Your quality of leadership. Ngasi party ngasi MPP. I have a due regards Manipur da lermi ngasi pungmang mangre pungtum tumgre. Asumana party se form togni jhat mangni pat sadi aido. Apa manian manga matara mo kunam kutra kucha machani pulla party mo form tore. Kana namasi lit togudiri financial positions leadership ki mi mayam kombagi tabagi my campaign karino policy program togudi punamaga samasya phajana yam tanabudi as long as party ki leader du namana phajana learing hoi jabot that party will lead, that party will play a pivotal role quite the maru pugani. So example hajaragi ngasi akoin hajarabada asagi TMC ji matawri maso hana amu UP jaromi Congress to TMC to ma ate ma form taruso ma phage paruto ma certain drawback lagi mamutage ma heta ma dum karkani that leadership oduma leading the ma TMC gi ma pulung mai makha da kana namu to hogani. But in contrast amu south to muchase say DMK Dravida Monitor Kazigam haibida all India gi koi lalita koi gi Jay Lalita gi ma AIDM ki male all India gi ma so maleram that leadership si TDP de lerma se yambu mak leader se hana mak angak pada mak ma se no pan hayu mu pura lai be se TDP ki mo ko be se 25 30 40 years ta man angak pa mana foundation ma mana to birambe aduna hoy aduna masigu ma se leadership quality se mini yeng leadership se makse karmai tor machine pacham selfish obra phamngate yam tanbra shen tumne yam chopra mas min ngang se ta pra ta tabra se Bengal da matam ma way back 60s beginning da communism na pura high na pura leram ne pura palam se koi Jyoti Basu lermi se koi Ajay Mukherjee lermi se mako leri even Congress to su like Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai that particular chief minister man shuti phangman with the government gi public orga man koi medical treatment ma tawri he is being a physician high to the leadership quality aduna masi leadership quality ngasi hoi Kashmiri ka kitang tongali maram di NC leriba ama mo leriba pun mase mo sina koi gi ism ram de loni chakre madu ma kitang tongali ati by and large sum je pada ngasi JDU gi leriba JDU gi leader pubiriba yungbu amudamu chongchangani mai matuna dum loni dum techakani amudamu chongani Lalu Prasad group te amu thokani amudamu chongchangani adisu loni dum challi aji mai gi tamakta ado JDU se ma heto ki watan JDU loni amu loni mutki gani haiberte masigu masu patte jamne camelon machu onba mai masai kana boina to bosu patte no that I don't agree with that theory aina hijabana regionalism su kharsu tamsi kharsu mayam ga center ga khra tathok tasin to jamna khoi kari haini jam step oiba min haida ta daba say example DMK gumle stallion gumle mapa the film star ni writer ni so and so chei kunthra ni phu yangai digi mana dum tar ngasheba DMK mut pangam dan leidi haji machan pa so uri machan pa gi amu makha da amu machan pa ma su leri mai machan pa se mantri uri matak sino system je moina moi gi se tamil gi culture chan bi da moi gi tamil se ko separate country wakan mak later basu mokoi gi culture mokoi chan bi mokoi masim citizenlism se moi pura mo look kre amanum da pai amanum masi jo makhatik tang the central government ga mari leina ba khotpa toba masi jom darkali adu sometime akoi manipur context la asia picture Nagaland adu Meghalaya picture mafam makoti chapel leaders sing shibu kari no makoi be khatik tang miyeng se tongana mu yengbara akoi gina tongana mu yengbara ate state kra son masena mu tongana mu yengbara haiba asigum se lai makoi da hogula haiba ngami akoi na pambadi Manipur the leaders some or pade chahi gi war lengneti mak LLB or MA or double MA PhD or haibi walite politics habits no qualification required qualifications karino my leadership any language na sungang sanu Hindi na khangdi Mitero na khangdi Tamil na khangdi nganing batar ngang san but his points should carry meaning and man ngak pase that point should be accepted by the government of India. Regionalism da akuna lakpatan jad ajam narrowism chakya haiba natte some states kitang tongal akoi di regionalism haiba se akoi Indianization oibanina akoi se yam na phajana mayam da chamina ba komini ba akoi kitang sober oina ba hona ba kata akoi chamna chacha ba se is it our drawback haiba wakan ma mu khan ba mu laine madugi madi pandam ninga si chahi maga tha mari manga sujalakpada Bharat Sarkar nu sungta tabi daba sungyeng yengbi daba sungai habi akoi bu unaning daba torpase akoi sibu are we too weak or are we not a part and parcel of India or are you trying to alienate from India the torokwe tokhaina thamgi ne khalak para or natra do you treat us we are terrorists Manipur dil praja khoi bu hai wakan nungai ta bomala ine manamaduna center na miyeng se phadna jengak traba ai shumi yu the Bharat Sarkar kare mukpa khotpa rong dong gan tawro kholaga madui makha da moido ta thamjin magi chappa nga tawne tawi. Is this the rule, or is this the justice the government of India or the Delhi Lebanon High Command ki mayam leri punama? If you think in this manner, you are wrong, Bharat Sarkar. Ako na politely, humbly approach no kata hai jaba khocho bache. क्या आप बिल्कुल हमें इंसान की तरह हमें बिल्कुल आप नजर नहीं देखते? हाय भारत सरकार कोई हंगे मदर रिजलिज्म लाइव से this is just because na कोई न कर नमित अमद उशन बा अमद उन नमित अनियम पंदो बा चेयरमैन साहब ने पन भी अमल ले दिया अमने तो बग नसी कनगी तमिलनाडु दा माय चीफ मिनिस्टर माय गवर्नर वाम ता हांग यूं जो का प्राइम मिनिस्टर बो तालक पई फियम द लेडी इवन टीएमसी तवरि के मान तवरि से लोले ला ले खंगे what you government of India what you can do it in this RG code gi medical gi pura issue macha digi tawri be a spark neglect that burns the house and whole Bengal letter whole India the complete issue of international issue like what the government of India by sending CBI you are not going to solve the issue hai leadership ke quality amalai leadership se apabade pubiu akoi bi chingapu at this juncture Manipur da akoi central party mayam torga आदि नंग नुमी थोकनी है नंग सातिन खल्लो कुछ नोंग तागा तो रही सातिन खन भी बाप असी बाप तो लीबा खोप से मसे तो बिया दे अकोई सुमीनी मतलब मम तो कुछ निंग तमले पाक की अकोई लेनमनी as good as India का तोंग लेनमनी regionalism feeling अखुद ला लीबा से this is the sole responsible of करी है नहीं अकोई improper justice or injustice खर seems to have meted out by the government of India मदन अकोई नुआइते अकोई मुन्ने जेंगो अकोई बिनोय line logunu this is the caution we are requesting you government of India big reason being अकोई मियो यमनी we are not ugrabadi we are not underground we are overground we are an Indian out and out kari gi अकोई न कोई बिलु न तोबा न कोई को न लात पसबन न कोई न वो उशित तब थवा साधव से चुमरन भारत सरकार अति तब तो regionalism है वही हम लाइब से doesn't mean समरंद साहब न है we are not trying to part way we want to within the India but some akoi tamakta certain power and autonomy in the field of economic in the field of politics in the field of culture hai ni chingba mak khar di pibam thokpra and pibam thoi not a shook chogro country 142 crores people sibu only by honorable prime minister or few akoi leader kharna 142 crore people so how you expect to control and command and to look after impossible certain thing you'll have to part way some rights haiba khard states se pithok se chumgadrne it is our appeal to you Bharat Sarkar have something ai thamje